Did you know that you can make money online by creating AI movies?
We've accessed their mainframe. This ends now.
We have a breach in progress. Deploy the countermeasures.
We need to stop them before it's too late.
In a race against time, trust no one.
Amazing, right? It's completely possible to make high-quality AI movies using free AI tools, and you can even monetize them by uploading them on YouTube. The method I'm about to show you doesn't require any technical skills, qualifications, or investments. Just follow my simple steps and make sure you watch the entire video so you get all the important information. Prepare movie script. When it comes to making a movie, having a story is essential. To achieve that, you can simply visit GravityWrite. Click on Start Writing for free and head over to the section called Filmmaking Tools on the left side. Click Movie Trailer Script and it will ask a few things. For the genre of the movie, type Action. To add the duration of the movie, type 40 seconds. Then, to give a one-liner story, type Hackers infiltrate a shady corporation, leading to a digital standoff with determined cybersecurity forces. Click Create Content. You can see the tool is creating a script from the idea I typed. In just a few seconds, you have the script ready for your AI movie. Generate prompts for images. To generate images with AI, you need to have excellent prompts. I will use the same tool that I used earlier. Go back to GravityWrite, where you left. Select the entire script and copy it. After that, click AI Image Generation Prompts. You will be prompted to complete 3 fields. Enter Action for the type of movie genre. For the movie style, choose Realistic. Lastly, paste the script you had copied earlier. Click on Create Content and you're all set. It will provide prompts for each image in your movie based on the script and idea. Copy the prompt for the first image and use it for the next step. Generate images. I'm going to use Leonardo AI, which is a top-notch tool that generates unique images. One great thing about Leonardo AI is that you can get a free version, unlike other similar tools such as Midjourney. Just head over to Leonardo AI and click on the prompt bar. Then paste the prompt you copied and make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now click Generate. You'll notice that it has created 2 awesome images. Choose the image you like the most and click on it. Then click the download icon below to save the image onto your computer. So, you have the first image for your movie. To create the rest of the images, you have to repeat the same process of copying each prompt from GravityWrite, pasting it on Leonardo AI, and downloading the image. Convert images into videos. After you have created all of the images, it's time to convert them into videos. Head over to Runway ML and click on Try Runway for free. If you don't already have an account, sign up for one, or if you do, simply sign in. Click Start with Image. Then, upload the first image you saved to your computer and click Generate. You can see that the image is converted into a fantastic video. Click the download icon to download it. To convert the remaining images into videos, you have to repeat the same process. Your movie clips will be ready after this. Generate dialogues. Go to 11 Labs and click Get Started Free. Sign up, and it will ask for a few things. In the Settings section, you get to choose the voice that suits your preferences. Take a moment to listen to the available options and click on the one you feel is the best fit for you. Then, paste the first dialogue in the text section and click Generate. Play and listen to the voice. It sounds just like a human voice. Download the voice by clicking this icon. Repeat the same method to generate voices for all the dialogues. Lip sync with dialogues. For this, go to Lalamoo Studio and click Let's Start. Upload the first video by clicking on the Upload option. Then click Add New Audio on the left and upload the voice dialogue of the video. Click Generate Lip Sync Video, and here you go. Look how the characters' lips are moving and are synced with the dialogue. Right-click on the video and save it on your computer. You will have to do the same process to create other lip-synced videos. Enhance facial expressions. Once you have all the lip-synced videos ready, go to Think Diffusion and click Try it free. No need to worry about checking out the plans, because you can actually use this plan for free for up to 30 minutes of content. Choose the first plan and click Launch. It may take some time to load, but there's something important I want to share with you. This tool doesn't accept videos as input. Instead, you'll need to convert each video of your movie into images. Luckily, I have a really helpful tool for that. Go to Online Convert. You'll notice that it asks you which format you'd like to convert into. Click on the first drop-down and choose MP4 from the video options. Then, you can click on the other drop-down and select PNG from the image choices. Next, upload the first video you saved from Lalamoo and click Start. It'll take a few seconds to process and you will have the converted images. Click Download zip file and download it. Now return to Think Diffusion, which should be fully loaded by now. Click on Extras and then select Batch Process. Upload the image sequence and go to the adjustment options below. In the Upscaler 2 option, choose 4x Ultra Sharp. Increase the Upscaler 2 visibility and GFPGN visibility to max. Keep the CodeFormer visibility to 1 and CodeFormer weight to 0.541. Click Generate and you will have the upscaled images. To download them, click on the green folder on the right. Next, open the Outputs folder. Here, you can see the upscaled images. Click on this icon, and you will get a zip file. Click on Download icon to save it on your computer. You can look at the upscaled images. They look quite realistic. Convert back-enhanced images into videos. I will use the tool I used at the beginning of this video. Go to Runway ML and click on Frame Interpolation. Upload your images from the first scene and head over to the Settings section on the right. It will ask you the clip duration. Remember that you have to select the duration, the same as from the Lalamoo video. Then choose the duration and click Generate. To check, play the video. You can see the video looks great. Click Export and then click Download. Do the same process to convert the remaining images into videos. Create the trailer. Go to Clipchamp and click Try for free. Then click Create your first video and upload the videos. Drag the videos here in the correct sequence. Cut and delete unnecessary parts of each clip by the above icon. After that, upload the first voice you saved from 11 Labs for this scene. Then add the rest of the voices to the correct clips where the dialogues are. Add background music. Go to Pixabay and click Music. You will see a lot of music clips. Type cinematic in the search bar, listen to a few of them, and choose whichever suits your movie. Then click Download to save it on your computer. Head back to the Clipchamp video editor and upload the music. Play it, and you can see the video.
We've accessed their mainframe. This ends now.
We have a breach in progress. Deploy the countermeasures.
We need to stop them before it's too late.
In a race against time, trust no one.
Click Export, choose 1080 pixel quality to download your movie, and click Save to your computer. Your movie is now downloaded. As you can see, it's possible to create impressive movies from scratch using AI tools without spending a penny. Upload these movies on YouTube and start earning money with zero investments. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.